हिंदोसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा, हिंदोसिता हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Hello and welcome everyone to the most exciting event of this era of new normal. You know, innovation, simply put, is an ability to see every change as an opportunity. And that's exactly the inspiration behind this first ever mega virtual launch of a game-changing product from JCB. So, all my esteemed guests, I, Poppy, extend a warm welcome to all of you as the host for today's grand launch. And just as a real-world event, let me request you to lend us your complete attention for the next 40 minutes. And I guarantee that you will really appreciate what we have meticulously planned for you. And now it's time to roll JCB's most path-breaking launch event of recent times. Flagging off this session today will be with a keynote address by Mr. Govind Machani from MGB Motor and Auto Agencies Private Limited. Let's welcome him with a thunderous applause.
On behalf of JCB and MGB, I welcome you to the online launch of the JCB side engine Telehandler. My name is Govind Machani and I am the Executive Director at MGB Motor and Auto Agencies, the dealer for JCB at Hyderabad. The JCB Telehandler is a versatile machine. In our territory of Telangana, we have almost 200 machines working in various applications. It has worked in cotton industries, in tunneling industries, in tire industries, in bottling plants, chemical plants. The Telehandler can also be used in various other applications such as RMCs, pharmaceuticals and crushers. The Telehandler is a versatile machine. It has a 4-in-1 application. It can be used as a loader, as a forklift, as a man platform and as a crane. Now with the launch of the new side engine Telehandler, the machine is truly on par with international standards. It offers great value to our customers in terms of better serviceability, better visibility, better safety and finally higher productivity. At MGB, we also use Salesforce. This has proven to be an excellent tool in terms of tracking our sales and also tracking our inquiries online. Each and every file movement is also tracked very easily with using this tool. At MGB, we also have a customer support number. This number is proven excellent to customers and also a great lifeline. Each customer can call this number and their machine can be attended within 24 hours to ensure maximum efficiency and maximum uptime of their machine. Finally, I'd like to thank all our customers for attending this online event, and I also want to thank you once again for your continuous support of JCB machines.
Haven't we all heard this? I quote, "Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality." On that note, thank you Mr. Govind Machani for an encouraging opening note. JCB is leading from the front with a strong foothold and #1 position in many markets. It prides in being world #1 in backhoe loaders and telehandlers. With 22 plants, 770 plus dealers, with 2,200 plus outlets in over 150 plus countries, the growth story of JCB has been spectacular. As I speak, more than 1,000 plus made in India JCB telehandlers are tirelessly working across the length and breadth of our country and South Asia region, including Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. These army of telehandlers are accomplishing the varying needs of our customers across numerous industries.
At JCB, we believe that our success lies in the success of our customers. It's the reason we are never content and constantly innovating to ensure they can build a better future. Today, 1,000 happy customers are part of the JCB family.
लो डाल करके इनका प्रोडक्ट तो हमें वो अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया लगा
क्योंकि ये सेफ है, ये क्विक है, ये वर्सेटाइल है.
As the world's largest telehandler manufacturer, we have consistently led the market with engineering excellence and cutting-edge innovation. Our telehandlers have revolutionized businesses across the globe, such as road construction, agriculture, metal recycling, ceramics, logistics, building construction and more. In our pursuit for excellence over the last 40 years, the JCB Telehandler has become the world's first choice for material handling.
जब भी मुझे और JCB टेलीहैंडलर लेने की जरूरत पड़ेगी तो मैं JCB टेलीहैंडलर ही लूँगा।
We strive to become a one-stop solution provider to our customers.
पर्सनल रिलेशन में तो बहुत बढ़िया है सर, इनका मुकाबला नहीं है।
In 2014, JCB started manufacturing telehandlers in India, launching 2 models and selling a modest 7 machines in 3 applications, to growing to 305 machines in 27 industry segments in 2019. The growth has been phenomenal. Today, the JCB Telehandler, India's material handling expert, takes pride in setting yet another milestone in its journey of excellence. We celebrate sales of 1,000 telehandlers in India. We are all set to face the challenges that the future brings as we aim to achieve bigger milestones in 2020. And we will continue to look for a better way, no matter what.
Always looking for a better way, a mission that drives JCB forward. This aptly encapsulates the sheer hard work and innovation that goes into every product launched by JCB. So now it's time to introduce to you the hero of the day, the game changer in the materials handling industry. JCB India proudly presents the latest addition to the JCB family, the all-new JCB side engine telehandler. Congratulations and a huge round of applause is due for this new wonderful addition to JCB's product arsenal. Let us all clap for JCB team and for ourselves too, as each one of us is a part of JCB's incredible success story. And now, let's dive deep into this new product with an insightful address by Mr. David Whiston, AVP Telehandler Business Development, JCB India Limited.
Thank you for a fantastic launch of this all-new JCB side engine machine. Let's take a look now at some of those technical parts of the machine and give a better explanation. The new side engine machine comes as standard with the JCB Quick Hitch. The Quick Hitch can allow us to fit as standard either 1.2 or 1.4 cubic meter buckets. And depending upon your application for ground engaging, the wider spread of the JCB Quick Hitch is better prepared for those ground torsional stresses that we might generate with the machine. We can also give you a range of buckets dependent on your application. If you're loading coal, for example, we can go to 1.9 cubic meters. If you're loading cotton in the cotton industry, we can go beyond 2 cubic meters into 2.1, 2.2 or even 2.6 cubic meters. A wide range of buckets to handle whatever is your applicational need. By virtue of the wide range of attachments available to the JCB telescopic handler, it can effectively replace a lot of the machinery on your site today. By changing the bucket, we can add mechanisation to a wide range of applications, therefore improving your productivity and ultimately improving your profitability. Our new side engine machine brings us now in line with the JCB leading global range. It gives distinct advantages not only to the owner of the machine, but gives distinct advantages to the operator. So let's now start looking at what those advantages are. You'll have noticed on the new logo we now say high vis. So what is the high vis advantage? By using the lower boom height, we've now improved the visibility 360 degrees all the way around the machine, making it much better for the operator to observe what he's doing when he's working on site. And not only that, the vertical view looking up through the cab roof allows the operator to look perfectly where he wants to place the load or position an item if it's a delicate operation. The new 530 benefits from an all-new chassis design. That new chassis design not only has given us a better centre of gravity, but it's eliminated the need for any form of counterweight on the 530/70, giving better stability, better forward reach and better lift capacities at height. By moving the engine to the side of the machine, it's allowed JCB to produce a narrower chassis. That narrower chassis gives us greater torsional rigidity, making the machine much stronger and less liable to flex when it's moving across site carrying a load. The new boom design is a fantastic step forward. It now allows us to use one single boom lift ram instead of two boom lift rams. This gives us greater fuel economy, reducing cost. By lowering the boom, we've increased the visibility by a massive 70%, improving not only productivity of the operator through better visibility, but we've improved on-site safety, giving the operator a fantastic field of vision where he can see any obstructions on the ground or anybody who's working close to the machine. The JCB new side engine machine continues to use the world-leading JCB backhoe loader powertrain. We use the same engine, we use the same axles, and we use the same transmission. That gives us the benefit of increased manoeuvrability. We have two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive disconnect, but also, just as important, the machine has the ability to use the front axle independent brakes, allowing the machine to turn quite literally on one wheel, giving maximum manoeuvrability at all times. So when we move the engine from the centre to the side, we've put in all these benefits, but we have not forgotten about the operator. By moving the hydraulic tank to the rear of the machine, we have taken away a heat source and created a counterweight that now sits to the rear of the machine. By moving the engine to the side, we've also decreased the in-cab noise levels, so it makes a wonderful operating environment for that operator. And remember, the JCB telescopic cab is standard with air conditioning. Not only of that, we've taken great notice of where we position the controls inside the machine. All of the hydraulic levers fall easy to hand. Changing of gears, again, falls easy of hand. All of this combined with massive visibility makes the JCB a really nice operating environment. Of course, key to your business is that you need to know what your machine is doing, when it's doing it, and where it's doing it. All of those functions come to you via the JCB Live Link system. Geofencing allows you to know if that machine is being operated outside of work hours. The systems on board will help you monitor your fuel consumption so you know if the machine is using the fuel or if somebody's actually taking the fuel. You'll also know to the minute when that machine is operating, and by that we can plan the service schedules of your machine to increase the serviceability and maintain your machine's residual values. Key to any machine is making sure that that machine is easy to maintain. If it's easy to maintain, your operator will take care of it. The new JCB side engine machine allows simple access to the operator to conduct all of the daily checks. Engine oil, transmission oil, coolant, hydraulic oil are all very easily accessible. If during the day, for example, your machine is operating in a dusty environment, the cooling pack can be swung forward to allow for easy cleaning of the cooling pack. If your environment remains dusty all the time, you can also consider the optional reversible fan, which will allow the cooling pack to clean itself periodically throughout the day. But in the event that you might find yourself in a position that you need expert advice, the JCB telescopic handler is backed by over 700 dealers all through JCB, and each one is dedicated to give you, our customer, the best service backup in the business. Okay, thank you for your time, and that's the end of my brief product presentation. I look forward to meeting all of you on your sites or in your offices in the near future. I hope I've explained sufficiently to you why the JCB telescopic handler is just what you need. Thank you very much.
Introducing the JCB side engine telehandler. With wide range of attachments for industry-specific applications. Just what you need for fast operations and enhanced productivity. The new JCB side engine telehandler offers extreme versatility. The global range starts from 7 meters to 20 meters, while 7 meter and 11 meter machines are built in India. Lift capacity of 3000 kgs to 6000 kgs. JCB High-Vis global design for enhanced all-round visibility and maneuverability with best-in-class operator comfort with AC cabin. The most advanced telematics solution, JCB Live Link, 24/7 monitoring of machine. Just what you need to maximize your success. The new JCB side engine telehandler. Just what you need. JCB, always looking for a better way.
Thank you, Mr. David Whiston. I'm so impressed with the new JCB side engine telehandler, and I'm sure you all are too. As India moves into the new era of development, exhibiting growth across various industries, the need for innovative material handling solutions has grown too. And JCB is spearheading this transformation of the country with its versatile solutions. And there is an exclusive opportunity for audience who have logged in today for this program to win exclusive JCB telehandler merchandise by answering a few simple questions. And the questions are: which telehandler machine model is launched today? What is the maximum loading capacity and placing height of JCB 530 110 model? What is the maximum loading capacity and placing height of JCB 530 70 model? And the next question is, what is the benefit of Q-fit or quick hitch changeover? Next one, which JCB plant in India manufactures JCB telehandler? Ready for the next? Is air conditioning standard in JCB telehandlers? And the next one, how can you monitor your JCB telehandler machine health and operations working at any site from your home or office? Well, the winners are going to be announced tomorrow on this very Facebook page, so log in again tomorrow to see the results. Okay, so it's time now. Almost like an IPL match, the wave of excitement has engulfed the whole stadium. The stage is set, the crowd is prepared, the trophy is about to be lifted. I'm sure all of you are very excited to see this new machine, the machine that will rule the material handling industry, the machine that you guys will make JCB's biggest ever success story. When you are driven by the vision to achieve glory, no obstacle seems big enough to stop you. So that's all from us today. Though it is difficult to replicate the real-world experience on virtual platforms, we hope you had a good experience and enjoyed this virtual launch as much as we enjoyed bringing this to you. Together, let's pledge to stay cautious, maintain social distancing, wear a mask, and be safe. Thanking you for your patience and enthusiasm.